lunge, sit, twist a tad, and give me this gorgeous position. This knee is bent. 1, 2, 3, shake, a shake, a shake. 1, 2, 3, shake, a shake, a shake. 1, 2, 3, shake, a shake, a shake. Pose. And I want drama. Taka, 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 taka. Repeat it. 1, 2, 3, shake, a shake, a shake. 1, 2, 3, look over there, there. Look over there, da, 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 da. Pose. Taka, taka, ta. All right? When we do it, make sure you do twist your body a little because it gives it a nice, it looks nicer than if you're square. See the difference? Boom, boom, boom. Look over there. Boom, boom, uh-huh. All right, next combo. We ended here. Boom. Omi any direction you like. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you pick the direction you want to go as far as the omi, if it's right or left. But we will twist and practice that, okay? Adding on, boom, piston hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is going to get a little trickier in a minute, but for right now, that's what I want. Positions, you're here. I'm going to play the music. Let's do it. Let's do that little part, and then I'll add on. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pose. Always. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add the twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. Piston hips. Arms. And I don't care which hip goes down first. Doesn't matter. Open. Adding on. Duck, duck, shake. Up, down, shake. Shoulder, shake. Up, down, shake. Shoulder, shoulder, shake. Up, down, shake. Shoulder, shoulder, shake. Up, down, shake. Stop there. Good. Now let's add on a little. Let's get a little funky. Optional. If you say, P, I'm still working on what we just did, you stay with that. You do your omis, you play around, okay? All right, you stay there. If you're ready to add a little pizzazz, we're here from the beginning. Boom, 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 shake, a shake, a shake. Boom, 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 shake, a shake, a shake. Boom, 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 shake, a shake, a shake. Pose. It stays the same. Boom, 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 shake, a shake, a shake. Boom, 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 shake, a shake, a shake. Boom, 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 shake, a shake, a shake. Pose. Taka, taka, ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go with the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cut it in half. We're making it quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to add some arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, brain, up to you. Next. Down, 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 up, up. Bend, 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 up. Sorry, up, up. Down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up, up. Bend the knees, sit down, 5, 6, up, up. Pose. Duck, duck, shake. Up, down, shake. Duck, duck, shake. up, down, shake. Tac, tac, shake. Up, down, shake. Tac, tac, shake. Up, down, shake. Okay, so we're taking it front, side, side, front. Doesn't matter which shoulder goes first, just go with what feels right, okay? This piston hip, we're bending into it a little bit, and then we're coming up, but our feet are staying on the floor. You'll see what I'm gonna do next after. Let's do this, and then we'll add on a little more. Positions, please. Yep, so it's basic, but it's not. It's repetitive, but it's quick. It's a nice little one to get the stamina of this and the body going. Okay, let's do it.